Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, June the 29th, 2022. We have two puzzles left, the binary puzzle and the tectonic. They call it in Dutch cijferblok. Yes. Yeah, it's binary time. And this one will be number, I believe, 4775. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So those two boxes should be an O. 4 O's we have here in this second row, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. We have 4 O's now in the second column, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two 1s comes an O. Then. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, I need to compare, I think. Do we have a 101 here? No. 001 then. This row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Need to compare again. Almost the same, this one. 11. Cannot compare this row. We have a 1001 here. Yeah. This row and the last row. 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1. Empty box. 0, 0. 1, 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Need to compare twice, I believe. And yeah, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. with the last puzzle of today, 8 tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.